Generally, we have three types of pressures: atmospheric pressure, vacuum pressure, and gauge pressure. Atmospheric pressure is a pressure what we are experiencing right now, the air which is above our head, which has an value of 1 atm or 1.01 bar. So that pressure what we are experiencing in real time by each and every objects in the earth is said to be an atmospheric pressure. So if the height increases, the pressure will decreases. After altitude increases, the pressure will decreases. So if we go to any hilly regions like Himalayas or any kind of hilly region which has more than some amount of height from the base level, from the sea level, it has a less pressure. If you come to the plain, if you come to our home which is located in the plain, it has a general atmospheric pressure of 1.01 bar. There is a basic definition of atmospheric pressure. The next one is the gauge pressure. Gauge pressure is a pressure, it is experienced by for example, if you take a vessel while we are cooking with help of the cooker, it experiences some amount of pressure. That pressure which is inside the cooker is said to be a gauge pressure. And also you can able to see in the figure is one tube like structure is there. So there a P gas and then rho GH and then atmospheric pressure is also acting. So that rho GH is the pressure which is acting inside the structure, inside the fluid design. So that pressure is said to be a gauge pressure. So due to the atmospheric pressure and that rho GH gauge pressure, P gas is a absolute pressure. It is a total pressure which is combined from atmospheric pressure as well as the pressure which is inside the tube having a rho GH. The next one is absolute pressure. Absolute pressure is a sum of atmospheric pressure as well as the gauge pressure. These three are the very important terms of pressure we have to apply in our fluid mechanics. And then one more thing is there, vacuum pressure. Vacuum pressure is a pressure which is a difference between atmospheric pressure and gauge pressure. So for example, vacuum pressure should have a pressure value which is less than 1 bar. That is said to be a vacuum pressure. It should be a minimum of less than 1 bar. So I can able to see in the table, if the vacuum pressure is 0.3 bar to 1 bar, it is said to be a low vacuum pressure. If it goes lesser than that, so the vacuum pressure will get more intense. So we have low vacuum pressure, medium vacuum pressure and highly vacuum pressure. So we have n number of vacuum pressures. So vacuum pressure generally is a pressure which is less than the normal atmospheric pressure what we are experiencing right now. I hope this video is useful for you. For more information, subscribe this channel. Thank you.